Welcome to CJ's Game Room. Hope everybody had a great holiday or Christmas. Today is a special video where I am going to be reviewing the chair that I'm currently sitting in. Let's get to it.
Hello, it's CJ from CJ's Game Room, here with an unusual video. I don't usually do these kind of videos. It's more me playing games. But today, I've got a chair from Cybeart, and I'm gonna open it up, do an unboxing and initial impressions of the chair. So I haven't done anything with it. All I've done is cut the tape to make it easier to open. So we're gonna open this chair. So I've had many chairs in the past that were cheaper chairs, let's say. So this is my first investment in a good chair. And so let's look through the box. So first on top it says Cy-beart, welcome to Cyber Squad, and basically their assembly guide and nice colorful pictures showing you how to put everything together. So we'll need that, so I'm going to set that over here. And they actually say to use this to put the chair together on, so we're going to do that. So the deal that I got with their it was their Black Friday deal, I believe, and it came with a free mouse pad. So here's the mouse pads that they sell. This one's the Tom and Jerry mouse pad. So it feels like good quality. We'll have to try to use that with my mouse and see. It's pretty big size. I wasn't expecting something this big, which is kind of cool. I thought it was just going to be a little mini thing, since it was basically a free add-on. Put that aside. We won't need that for the chair. So we're going to take everything out, and then we'll start the assembly. So just trying to figure out how to. This looks like covers that I'll need later. The backrest. So the one I did get is Mortal Kombat themed. It's the Cole character from Mortal Kombat, and the memory foam pillow, it feels like. The base of the chair. I'll leave the main seat part until I need it. I'm going to need the wheels. Actually, I might have to take this out to the rest of it. Alright. Do that. Alright, here's another box. I'm just going to open this up. Alright, so this is basically the handles and the hydraulic piece that raises and lowers the seat. And they give us a nice kit with your screws that you need and your Allen wrench. Alright, I just gotta find the wheels. assuming the wheels are in this box. Again, well packaged. But those are not the wheels. I gotta find the wheels. Found in the accessories box. Well, I would think that this is the accessories box, so I just have to dig for them. Let's see. So again, everything is nice and nice foam protected. So this was the top layer of the accessories box, and then all the wheels in the bottom of the box. So the wheels are a nice size. They feel like they will spin good. We'll see when I actually have the chair together how they feel. So we're going to take the I'm not a professional chair builder, so some of you may be cringing at how I'm doing this, but this is how the way I do things when I'm excited. All right, so we're going to put this down on the mat like they see in the image, and we're going to put the wheels in. Go in pretty nicely. So now we're going to turn this right side up. And this is what we need next. We're going to take this piece and we're going to stick this with the blue part facing up right in there like that. And then they say slide the cover on top. Like so. Perfect. And now looks like we're done with this for now. And they want me to grab this part. All right. Open this up now. So they want me to remove the screws pre-installed on the backrest using the Allen key provided. So I'm just taking this out of the bag, and let me tell you, I'm looking at the stitching there. Pretty nice stitching, and feels like good quality. I don't think it's real leather. I think it's fake leather, but the back has the Mortal Kombat logo, and again, all very well stitched. Very nice looking. Okay. Open it so that all the screws don't go flying out at me. Take the Allen wrench and come down here, and it's these that they want me to remove. So, sure when you have screws and stuff, you want to have a safe little thing to put them in. Okay, I'm assuming they want them taken out of both sides. So my goal with putting this chair together is using the tools that they provided. I have my own tools, but I want to make sure I'm using everything that's provided and see how the build goes with just using what they've given you in the box. Okay. So basically, I've done steps 1 to 4. I'm on to step 5 here, which is attaching this piece. So we'll set this aside. Get the base piece out here. There we go. Again, everything is well protected with bubble wrap or foam here. So again, the bottom of the seat, very nice, same material, same stitching, Mortal Kombat's kind of embossed in the front of the seat there. Very nice. And carefully place the backrest on the seat. Align the screw holes in the backrest with the holes in the recline mechanism. Okay, so you start with this side, which is the side with the recline mechanism. Alright. So I'm lining the holes up, and then with holding it with one hand, I'm going to get the screws in. Tighten. I've always wait usually when I do things with screws until I know everything's in place. So I'm going to get it mostly screwed in, but I'm not going to fully tighten it in case I have to undo it later. Alright, so after a quick battery change of our camera, I'm back. So while the camera was dead, I just basically got these in so that they're holding the chair backrest onto the base, but I haven't tightened them fully yet. What we're going to do is we're going to turn the chair around and we're going to get the other side in and get the screws in on this side. So this chair is a lot heavier than a lot of the chairs I've had in pet previously. So I'm gonna now, so this piece moves freely because it's not attached to the locking mechanism. So I'm going to just get this lined up now with the chair. And once it's lined up, I will get the screws in. And this time I'm going to start with the top screw, because it doesn't have, it's just a little hole. It's not a sliding area, where the bottom one kind of slides a little, has room to adjust. So, okay. So, once that's, the top one's pretty much in, I'm going to get the bottom one in. So now that both sides are in, I think I'm pretty safe to tighten all my screws. So I'm now going to tighten these ones all the way. Please don't judge my use of tools. I'm not a tool pro either. Okay. These in. Nice and snug. Okay. Now we're going to get back to the other side and tighten these ones. With this side, because of the lever to adjust the backrest, I can't go all the way around, so I have to kind of pull the Allen wrench out and adjust. This is okay. So once the screws are in, we move on to the next step. Let's see what that step is. Okay, now we put the seat covers, or the covers on. Got those. Okay. So L and R. So it says on the inside which one's on the left. I'm assuming that's what L4 means, and this one's R2. I'm assuming they're telling you which side to put them on. Yeah, definitely the case. And then they say to use the smaller M5 screw. So in your little kit here, there's the Allen wrench has a screwdriver on the other side, so to screw in the screws. Okay, so once this is in nice and tight, we'll go to the other side. Set it up right here. Turn it around. And get this one in. Once this is in tight, we'll go to the next step. I think that's good. Feels good. All right, so we've done that. So now they say to lift the chair and gently face it downwards like that. And I think I know what's coming up next. Yep. So we're gonna get the last piece out of the box. Which again is in all the foam. Okay. And we're gonna mount this piece. Multifunction mechanism to the bottom of the seat with the 4 M8 screws. Make sure the tilt tension knob is facing the front side of the chair. So this, and they got a nice sticker here to say front. Goes there. I'm going to use what I do for computers, and I'm going to do kitty corner. Put one screw in the bottom corner, bottom right, and then the top left. I'll make sure that those are in pretty good before I continue with the other two. Again, I won't tighten until all the screws are in, just in case I need to make adjustments. Okay, and then the last two screws. So when I chose to look at Cybeart as the company I wanted to get my chair from, because there's lots of competition with these guys, price was definitely a factor why I went with them. They were cheaper than some of the other big name competition. Also, being Canadian, I wanted to support a Canadian company, and these guys are based out of Toronto, I believe, and they are definitely Canadian. And so I wanted to make sure I supported a Canadian company. Other reviews that I saw about these guys said the quality of the chairs were comparable to those other big name competitors, and so I said, well, they're a Canadian company, their quality is good from other reviews that I've seen. I'm going to support them and save some money at the same time. And that's why I went with these guys. So far, quality feels great compared to other chairs I've had. I haven't had any of the big name ones, but I've had a a chair that I bought from Amazon that was supposed to be, according to reviews, really good quality. It was 300 Canadian dollars, and I hated it. It was not comfortable at all, and I'm now working from home full time and needed to have a comfortable chair, and I basically had to get rid of it and go back to one of my old Staples branded chairs, which was more comfortable. So I'm hoping that what I've read about these guys' chairs is accurate, and I'm, from initial impression of what I'm feeling here as I'm building it, it definitely is a lot better quality. But once it's all built, I'll bring it down to my computer, and we will sit in it and see how it goes. Actually, I'll probably do some initial testing right up here. The only thing is it's a carpet floor up here, but we will see how it goes. I'm also by my computer. I don't have a way to set up a good camera setup. So, all right, so that's on. Okay, and now the mechanisms. So there's two handles here. They look identical. Yep, they are identical. And they have to go, I'm assuming, one on either side. Let's see. Yeah. So. I think I'm doing it right. Align the grooves on the lever handle with the notches and insert firmly. Make sure to insert them horizontally facing front side of the chair. Okay. There it goes. This one doesn't seem to be going on very good. But that's okay. That's all I'm doing. All right. So once I got these on, it's time to attach this part of the chair and the base. So we're going to take the base. So you want to make sure you hold on to the and put it in here like so. Grab the assembly wheel base and insert the gas lift piston into the socket. Hold down the wheelbase from the bottom and the backrest. Carefully place them in the upright position. Okay. So we're gonna carefully flip this around. There's your chair. I'm gonna have a seat in it. Oh, I think to adjust it. Oh, it's nice. It feels nice. So it does have forward and back, up and down, and then in and out. So I'm 5'11", sitting pretty comfortable. It does have a lumbar adjustment knob, if I can figure out where that is, right here. And I can adjust that to either make it less on my back or tight on my back. But yeah, I think this will be good. I'm gonna try it out. I'll do a side here, but yeah, it feels good. There's levers here to go up, so I can go fully upright here. All right, so this lever on the left side is, so right now I'm tilting. If I push this lever down, it locks the tilt, so I can't move at all. So locking it in the down position on the left lever locks it in, so I can't tilt. And if I unlock it, then I can tilt. On the bottom, there's a little knob. Let's see if I can tilt the chair a little bit to show it. You probably saw it during the assembly, but this knob right here, you turn it clockwise and it loosens to make it more tilt easier. And then if you go counterclockwise, it makes it tighter. So I'll go clockwise, and now it's easier to tilt. So I can tilt if I'm using a controller game. I can tilt if I wanted to, and I'm probably up too much upright right now, so I'll just adjust it there and there. I can easily just play video games, tilt back. Yeah, it's comfortable. You can lean fully back. It's a little bit scary because of the tilt as well, but yeah, I can definitely lie straight back with it. So yeah, and then it does come with a pillow for the headrest. So it's a nice, like, plushy feeling pillow. Feels like it's memory foam. See if you can see. Yep, it is definitely a memory foam inside. Not sure if that was picked up on the camera, the memory foam. But there we go. So zip that shut. It has elastic on it, so you can put it there, adjust it if you need to, and there's my chair. But that's my unboxing, assembly, and initial impressions. So far I'm liking it. I will probably talk about it further on one of my live streams or another YouTube video after using it for a little while. I'll be, like I said, working from home, so I'll be using this chair 5 days a week, 7 hours a day, plus time for games in the evenings and on weekends.
So you made it to the end of this video, the unboxing of my new chair, the assembly of the chair, and the initial impressions. I want to say I've purchased this chair with my own money from Cybeart, and they are not sponsoring me for this video. The views that I gave were my true, honest opinions, and not anything from a script. If you enjoyed this video, a thumbs up would be great, and a subscription. Also, if you want to see more of these kind of videos, let me know in the comments. I would love to hear what you have to say. Normally, I'm streaming games on Twitch, twitch.tv/cyberjudge. Haven't been doing it for a bit because of health issues, but I would like to get back to doing some streaming. So follow me on Twitch for my live streams. all my live streams do get posted on this channel, CJ's Game Room, uh, the day or two after my stream. But thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.